Hare Krishna, this is Navneet and I welcome you to Vyasa Astro channel. And today we have an exclusive session with world's renowned astrologer, gemologist and Vastu expert. Uh, he's dedicated to this science from the past 18 years and he's none other than Kartik Gorji, who has been a mentor and an inspiration. He's originally from Somnath, Gujarat and presently based in Dubai. uh, he belonged to a Brahmin family and he has Jyotish in his blood from the early years of his life. But until he got interested and started learning when he met our Guru Pandit Sanjay Raji. Uh, Sir, today it's such a delight and honor to have you on our channel. It's all yours, sir.
Namah Shivaya, thank you so much, Navneet, and Hare Krishna to all your listeners. And it's a pleasure, actually. So finally, we made it, and we are going to do something, which is a very unheard of topic, so to say, but yet I feel which is a very common topic, but nobody actually speaks about it. And I see generally, a lot of upcoming astrologers who start with their consultations and when they are just getting into the art, they don't know where to start. Now,
Right.
this has happened to me, as a beginner, when I started learning Jyotish, when I started opening up the chart for the first time, definitely we are all not God. We are all learning every day, and we learn from our mistakes. So I
Right.
just thought that, hey, Kartik, what you were 2 decades back, and when you just started learning, and when there is that anxiety as a new student to open up a chart, and the chart opens up in front of you, and then you don't know where to go.
Right.
So that is a dilemma which lot of newbies and lot of new upcoming astrologers and also very advanced astrologers go through.
Yes.
So I thought that, hey, why not discuss this particular simple thing in a very simple way, yet it will help people in a very strategic way. So a small presentation with your permission, if I might do,
Sure,
I
sir.
would be very grateful.
I think, sir, this is going to be one of the best New Year gift to our followers and people who are watching this video. Trust me, the way Kartik ji present things, such a modern way. I mean, we keep conventional things in our mind, but the presentation is absolutely modern. All yours, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. So I've made a small sort of a presentation for
Sure.
your team, and I hope they will enjoy the whole sort of a thing.
Yes,
So
sir.
the whole logic to the argument was that, when I started thinking about, hey, what can we discuss about? And just looking at the profile of the channel and all, I thought that, hey, there are a lot of upcoming astrologers who want to learn. And a lot of them
Right.
are, sort of trying to learn through books, through internet, through YouTube, through various means.
Yeah.
And and a lot of them actually start doing consultations too early.
Right. Right.
Sometimes because of the need, sometimes because of the greed, sometimes due to excitement. There are different reasons for doing the things. So
Yeah.
keeping the reasons aside, what I thought is, why not give them a logical understanding of what are the major mistakes you can do,
Right.
the things that
Right.
where I have gone wrong, where I see people going wrong, and where I feel I can add value on this beautiful day. So
Sure.
the whole logic is simple steps to follow for greater success as a Vedic astrologer. See, the whole idea is that Vedic astrologer ka maximum advantage kya hai, that we understand the concept of our soul. We
Right.
take the karma
Right.
into consideration, unlike Western
Right.
astrology, which doesn't take karma into consideration.
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
that is a great strength that we have, that, hey, we are saying that, Jack is different to Peter, even if Jack and Peter are both born on the same day in the same hospital, in the same
Absolutely.
time.
Yes. Yes.
And now we know the whole concept of understanding Shashtiyamsha, divisional charts, and so many
Yeah.
things by which we can decipher how Jack and Peter or Pat are different to each other, or how Sita and
Absolutely.
Gita are different to each other.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So I thought that, I'll give you a short sort of a snippet. Now, for all of you who don't know me, obviously I'm from Somnath. My name is Kartik Gaur. And my tradition is actually associated with Somnath. All my forefathers were the priest to the Somnath temple. They used to serve there. And I, being a logical guy, the Bombay guy, having my engineering, I always was in search of a knowledge which has to be, logical, palatable, and applicable. I was just talking to Navneet ke, I've done engineering and so many things I mucked up. And I was very, very shocked that, itna mehnat kiya, but at the end of the day, nothing is applicable.
Absolutely, yeah.
Sine square plus cos square theta equals to 1 plus bracket sine square theta. Itne kitne sare formula the, where we used to sort of mug it up because nobody taught us logically.
Right.
But this is where we are all missing the Gurukul system. Gurukul mein kya hota tha? Ke, the guru would sort of assess the student, iska dimag zyada Mercury style mein chalta hai, he is very good with money, money matters, finances. So isko accounting sikhao, that's why his varna is Vaishya varna.
Vaishya varna.
तो काफी बार लोग उसको समझ नहीं पाते कि अरे हिंदुइज्म में कास्टिज्म है. अरे कास्टिज्म नहीं है. It is profiling based on your gunas.
Absolutely.
So how can a rishi, of the level of Ved Vyasa be, somebody who is going to, profile people based on certain things? Hey, even if you are a Shudra by birth, but if you are learning Jyotish, teaching Jyotish, you are a consultant by nature. That means you are a Brahmana by nature.
Yeah.
So we need to understand that there is a big difference between all the propaganda that happens, but you need to understand your roots. Hey, our Rishi can never bifurcate people based on that. The only reason is merit, and merit is based on your own interest, your own gunas, or for that matter, let us say your own Navamsha.
Exactly.
Because that is going to give you a very logical understanding or very logical or a natural tilt towards something.
Absolutely.
Sonu Nigam was singing at an age of 4 or 5. जहाँ पे हम लोग 10 बार डरते हैं, हमारी मम्मी पापा भी बुलाते थे कि कार्तिक गाना गाओ. नहीं मम्मी, मुझे गाना नहीं है. सोनू निगम माइक खींच के गाता है. 5000 की ऑडियंस होती थी.
Yes.
So what is the difference between a Sonu Nigam and a Kartik Gaur? It is the difference of Chandra.
Yes.
So his career is dominated by Chandra. My career is dominated by Jupiter.
Yes.
So I come originally from Somnath, and as I told you, I'm a very logical person. तो मुझे कोई वो logical reasoning चाहिए थे. ऐसा ही नहीं चाहिए था कि भाई आपका शनि भारी है, राहु भारी है, आपको ये काला सर्प खा जाएगा, ये पी जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा. When I used to hear those sort of astrologers, I used to be little 2 steps away.
Yes.
Till I met, my Gurudev, understood the parampara, and I thought that, hey, this is a parampara or this is the knowledge which is very logical, palatable, and applicable.
Absolutely.
और मैं constantly मेरे students को भी यही बोल सकता हूँ कि, कोई भी knowledge अगर applicable नहीं है, तो उसका कोई मतलब waste है ना, waste of time है. We don't have that much time. God has given us that much of ayu, and there is so much to do. So we don't want to invest our time into learning something which is going to be a time waster.
Absolutely.
Right. So वो मेरा एक logic था, so obviously my tradition is from Orissa, Gurudev, for me it is very tough to call Sanjay or Sanjay Rath. A lot of people can say that, but I always said Gurudev. So for me, it all starts and ends there. So a lot of time when people say, what is your introduction? Send me a bio. I say student of handicraft. So there's nothing much to write about, but still, so our tradition dates back to 500 plus years. So from Achyuta Dasha Parampara. And the good thing is that, there was a little bit of a problem in previous times. And the problem was that every sort of lineage used to hide their secrets. So a Bengal school will not tell the Orissa school what they know of. Orissa school will not tell the South school that, what we are all about, the Kerala school that we are all about,
Absolutely.
So एक bifurcation था, north or south ka, east or west ka, all those things were going on. It is still there. I'm not saying it is not there. But we as young breeds need to break out of that bad thing.
Absolutely. Yeah. Yeah.
और मैं नवनीत को सेम चीज बोल रहा था कि young breed of
Yeah.
astrologers should be
Yeah.
very very open about sharing knowledge. ये क्या होता है कि इनसिक्योरिटी के यार मैंने बता दिया तो यार मेरी मार्केट वैल्यू कम हो जाएगी, या what if I tell you? There's nothing called as trade secrets.
Exactly.
In Jyotish at this level, it's all about giving. If you don't have an
Absolutely,
ability of giving, and after learning so much of knowledge, if you're still insecure, then frankly speaking, you need to meditate on why you are still holding on to those insecurities.
Absolutely. Like Gurudev has always said that it's like a swim, it's like an ocean and you keep swimming whole life. Karthik ji, one thing I've realized is that you can look at 400 charts, right? And you can be very affluent and spot on with 400 charts. But 401st chart, that will completely shatter you. I mean, all your predictions will go wrong. Nothing will fall in place. There we realize, that it's like giving, and we should not hide anything because still we are learning and we learn whole life.
Absolutely, absolutely. And that is the thing that, we need to control our ahankara.
Yes.
We all I remember when I used to learn Jaimini, and when we learned about Guru as Atmakaraka.
Yes.
And we learned a very, very interesting thing where Gurudev told us, the only thing that I know is that I don't know anything, is the magic mantra for Guru Atmakaraka. Why? Because they have internal ahankara.
Yes.
That I am born with some knowledge, I am born with some superiority. So वो Jupiter आपको जितना positive है, it is also giving you a negative connotation.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So that's why I use, if you see on the right hand corner, I use this magical line which Gurudev told me, knowledge is an ocean, start swimming. And he told this to me when I asked him, okay, Gurudev, how long it will take for me to learn Jyotish? And I was a very young guy, when I met him for first time. This is about 20 years back. And he smiled at me and he said, Karthik, knowledge is an ocean, start swimming.
Yes.
And now when, my students after learning 2 years, 3 years ask me, I tell them knowledge is an ocean, keep swimming.
Yes. Yes.
एक होता है कि जिसको start करना है, he's starting Jyotish from today or this month or this year. The other is who has been learning. It's an Ananta Yatra.
Absolutely.
So as of now, I'm based in Dubai. So all of you, my namaste from Dubai. If you're coming this side, send a WhatsApp to my team. I would be happy to sort of meet you, talk some Jyotish, have some coffee together. And I consult, teach, speak, related to Jyotish and Vedic Vastu. Vedic Vastu is a beautiful topic which someday, probably we'll discuss in this channel. But as of today, what we are going to stick to is, what happens when I see the horoscope. So generally क्या होता है, I have seen this as a very natural student, जो हमने last सीखा होता है, that impression is very strong in our mind. Whatever we have learned last. So we tend to apply that in the upcoming chart. The moment we see that chart, we want to see everything about it. So generally what happens is students say that, oh, I know something called as divisional chart. Oh, there are 16 divisional charts. They are associated with 16 kalas of Shri Krishna. Wonderful. अरे आपका तो ऐसा है, अरे आपका तो वैसा है, अरे आपका तो शादी ये है, अरे आपका तो करियर अच्छा है. We go blah 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 blah. And the customer or the client or the native is looking at us and he's saying, "यार ये क्या बोल रहे हैं? What is he talking about?" Nothing he is talking about is making sense.
Yes.
So with one stupidity, what we have done is we have, brought down the stock of Vedic astrology because of our stupidity.
Yes.
So what am I trying to say is we all collectively are stakeholders of that stock of Vedic astrology and Jyotisha.
Yes.
So we all have to work very, very, with a lot of respect, lot of integrity, and more importantly, with a lot of resolution to ensure that every day we are ensuring that stock of Jyotish is going one notch higher.
Yes.
इसमें देखो मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, कार्तिक गौर is a small fly. तो अगर वर्ल्ड का व्यू लेंगे ना तो कार्तिक गौर तो दिखेगा भी नहीं. शायद मैं कहाँ दुबई में बैठा हूँ, शायद वो भी वर्ल्ड मैप में नहीं दिखेगा.
जी.
तो कार्तिक गौर कहाँ दिखेगा? तो we have to go with that notion that we are not relevant. You know, आप कोई महर्षि पराशर या जैमिनी रिबॉर्न नहीं हो.
नहीं है.
वो मैं
नहीं.
काफी बार चिढ़ जाता हूँ. काफी स्टूडेंट बोलते हैं अरे मुझे माँ सरस्वती ने दर्शन दिया और मुझे बोला तुम तो पराशर हो. You know, I just
Yeah.
let go of that. That creates अहंकार. अगर सच
Yes.
में भी हुआ है और अगर सच में आप ऋषि के अवतार हो, फिर भी आपको बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है.
And sir, अगर कोई होगा, nobody will tell that. I'm sure about it. अगर किसी को दर्शन हुए भी हैं, people say that, I start connecting so much looking at the chart. There's nothing to connect so much. It's all about logical, and I think Gurudev has infused this in our blood to be grounded and logical.
Exactly. The whole point is के उसमें क्या बड़ी बात कर दी. देखो मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ जैसे राकेश झुनझुनवाला है. Now he's very good with stock trading. He's very good in terms of giving tips based on the knowledge he has, based on the readings he has, based on the research he has. और उसमें उसने अपना midnight oil burn किया है. Similarly, we as Jyotishis are supposed to burn the midnight oil first before we ever venture into opening up a horoscope or start doing consultations.
Exactly.
So simple सी चीज है. So the moment I see this, I tell people this is wrong.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Why are you even going to the divisional charts right away and trying to impress somebody?
Yes. Yes.
So now the question is, what do we do? Hey, where do we start? The moment a horoscope comes in front of me, what are the presumptions that I go with? So I will say, okay, go with the presumption that you are going with the wrong birth time. Or you don't have the right chart.
Right.
Always challenge your customer. Always challenge the person who is showing you the horoscope or native or whatever name you want to give. Because as per the Shastras, we are very clear that there are 3 types of birth. First is Prathama Rodana, which is when the baby cries for the first time. The other is when the body touches the ground the first time, because the loka in which we are is called as Bhuloka.
Bhuloka, correct.
So Bhuloka mein, who is the king of the horoscope? We can look at Jupiter, everything. Bhaiya, pehle sabse pehle Mangal dekh lo.
Right.
I give you a very important tip that Mangal is the Karaka. He is the one who is lording the Bhuloka. इसलिए 90% of the fight or 99% of the fight किसके लिए हो रही है? Territory के लिए.
Exactly.
अरे कश्मीर हमारा है. अरे कश्मीर तुम्हारा है. अरे ये कश्मीर इसका है, ये कश्मीर उसका है. वहां से चाइना बोलेगा अरुणाचल हमारा है. हम बोलेंगे नहीं भैया ये पर्टिकुलर पोस्ट हमारा है. रशिया बोलेगा यूक्रेन तो हमारा है. यूक्रेन बोलेगा अरे नहीं हमारी अलग कंट्री है. तुम कैसे बोलते हो यूक्रेन हमारा है?
जी. Right.
So everywhere around you see the fight is for Mangal, the country which has the maximum Mangal, which is your army and the land, is the one who is ruling.
Yeah, absolutely.
Are intellectual people ruling? The fact is no. People who have maximum strength. आज किसका आरूढ़ बड़ा होता है? जब आप चलते हो बाजू में 2 बॉडीगार्ड हो, मशीन गन लेके हो, तो आपका आरूढ़ बहुत बड़ा होता है. अरे क्या बात है यार, बहुत बड़ा आदमी बन गया. That means Mangal in Kali Yuga is giving you a very important stake in Arudha also.
Yes. Yeah.
So you understand how I'm correlating.
And I want to add one thing here. Is since like there is a source and a carrier of every planet, for an example, the source for the Jala is Chandra and Shukra is the carrier. And you're just talking about, people considering Jupiter, Now what happens is the source of the Jupiter, the Akash, is the Mangal, the Bhu. Until and unless we don't have that Bhu, that source of the Jupiter Akash, right, the Akash existence is not there.
Absolutely. And what is Akash at the end of the day? It is Vishnu.
Yes.
So when we are talking about Jupiter, in one word, we are talking about purity.
Absolutely.
Why does he get exalted in the 4th house, Hridaya Chakra? Jupiter is only interested in your purity of heart. It is not interested in, भैया हमने आपको सोने का ये चढ़ाया, भैया हमने
Yeah.
आपको उसने तो सिर्फ 11 रुपए का फूल चढ़ाया, मैंने तो आपको 1001 का 1100 रुपए की माला चढ़ाई, विष्णु
जी.
मेरा कल्याण ज्यादा कर दो। नहीं, इज नॉट
Yeah.
इंटरेस्टेड। वो जिसने
Yeah.
11 रुपए भी चढ़ाया या जो 11 रुपए भी नहीं चढ़ा पाया, बट उसका अगर दिल साफ है ना, तो उसकी दुआ कबूल होगी। You know, it is his
Absolutely.
wishes which are more important for Vishnu. So
Absolutely.
Jupiter as a tattva level, and Jupiter is screaming and telling that, hey, all I'm interested in is in purity.
Absolutely.
That's why what do we do when we every day morning when I'm going to take my gemstone, you know, and purify
Yeah.
it, I'm going to
Yeah.
do a Vishnu mantra and a Shiva
Yeah.
mantra. Vishnu mantra
Yeah.
is for the purity of the gemstone. Shiva mantra
Yes.
is for the strength of the gemstone. तो एवरी डे वी आर प्योरीफाइंग कि भगवान ना करे कहीं जेमस्टोन पहन के कुछ गलत विचार आ गया, कुछ यू नो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में लोग अजीब अजीब चीज भेजते हैं, आप ना चाहते हुए भी कई बार देख लेते हो। सो यू नो दैट प्योरिटी एवरी डे यू आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ।
Yes.
So coming back to the whole concept, we have to understand that the third type is the Nadi Shodhana, which is when the umbilical cord is cut.
Yeah.
Now this is a very very dicey time. जैसे मेरे टाइम में मेरे को मदर ने बोला था, यू नो कार्तिक अराउंड 5:30 5:40 के आसपास कुछ जन्म होगा। इट वाज यू नो अर्ली मॉर्निंग संध्या टाइम, राइट। कई बार मेरे पास क्लाइंट्स आते हैं, कार्तिक, you know, like majorly Gora clients or people, you know, who don't have their birth time. You know, I know Karthik, the birth date, you know, it was 15th of October, 1981. I was born in Melbourne, and my mother told me I was born during breakfast.
Wow.
Now, I don't know if you know, they had a late night the other day and they had a breakfast at 11 o'clock. Were they prompt? They had a breakfast at 6 o'clock. So we go then with a very, very broad area.
Yeah.
So what I'm trying to tell to your viewers is that go with a presumption कि मुझे जो time मिला है वो wrong मिला है.
Right.
Before even going to the divisional charts and starting all your gyan.
That's very interesting. Yeah. Wow.
Okay. Once you have not done the due diligence, you know, always challenge your client. You know, always look at the D12, find out, you know, like yesterday I was with a client and from US, and he gave me his wife's chart and he said that this is perfect chart, sir. You know, I think it is more or less okay. So I said that, listen, you know, if I'll give you two options, was her father into government or was he into banking or, you know, doing some mercurial work? So he said, sir, he's a CA, chartered accountant. So I said, then the time is wrong.
There you go. Yeah.
The moment we rectified it by 1 minute and 8 seconds, you know, we got that D12 right. The moment we got the D12 right, we had Mangal in the 4000. I asked him, is her mother very strict? He said, yes, she is very strict, extremely strict and disciplined. So here we go. Exactly. Then we go to D10, D9 and other divisional charts. So what I'm trying to give in a broader perspective is that, you know, we need to learn the art of rectification.
Yes.
और 99% of the time, you know, मैंने देखा है कि काफी लोग अपना बारे में बोलते हैं, मैं ज्योतिष विराट हूँ, मैं ये चक्र हूँ, मैं वो चक्र हूँ, ये यहाँ का गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट हूँ, वहाँ का गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट हूँ, लेकिन वो बेसिक रेक्टिफिकेशन करते ही नहीं है.
They don't do it, sir. You know, and I've seen when they do rectification, the first thing that you're using is the dasha-based rectification. You know, I mean, how can a dasha-based rectification be correct if you've not done the basic rectification?
And if you don't know the basic rectification, believe me, he doesn't know which dasha to implement.
Exactly. This is what I'm trying to tell you. That they start with the, you know, dasha. Okay, अच्छा इसकी दशा में मैरिज हुआ था ना, हाँ ये ठीक है ना, इसमें फादर का डेथ हो गया, ओ अच्छा ये इसके कारण हुआ, महादशा में ये था, अंतरदशा में ये था, हो गया, done. And that is where the problem is.
That will never work. You know, that is a major thing कि भैया ये चार्ट पे कौन सा दशा वर्क करेगा.
Yes.
अगर लग्न लॉर्ड 7th हाउस 7th लॉर्ड लग्न का कोई कॉम्बिनेशन है, तो we need to check if Vimshotri is even working in that chart. Because it is showing that, hey, there is a huge Shukra karma which this soul is having.
Yes. Yeah.
Is there Lagna Lord in the 10th house? You know, is there conditional dasha? द्विसप्तति काम कर रहा है या विंशोत्तरी काम करेगा या अष्टोत्तरी काम करेगा?
Exactly.
Is the person having Chandra in the tree? Is there any other Utpanna Dasha which is
Yeah.
working? And
Yes.
finally, understanding which Dasha will work for which period.
Yes.
Like in my case, I've got multiple Dashas which can work.
Absolutely.
But for which time? Whether I want to get married or whether I want to learn meditation and get into a Diksha. These two are completely two different scenarios.
Absolutely.
For which two different Dashas will work.
Absolutely.
तो ये चीजें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, पर मैं तो आपको एकदम बेसिक पे स्क्रैच कर रहा हूँ कि भैया यू नो ये तो आप देख लो कि भैया ये टाइम ठीक है कि नहीं है. You know, are you able to see the person in front of you and the chart as a similar person?
Yes.
How can the two
Fantastic.
people be different? Brahma cannot be wrong with his calculation. That means somewhere down the line, we are not able to understand what Brahma had calculated.
Exactly.
So it's now like the reverse scenario. You know, sometimes when nowadays at least we are lucky that parents are allowed into the time, you know, and most of the time they are looking at a watch. But still, you have to go with the presumption maybe the watch is not correct.
Right.
It could be 5 minutes aage piche. See, always remember, you know, when in doubt, trust the rishis.
Yes.
इसको आप एक अपना गोल्डन रूल बना के अपने दिमाग में टैटू कर दो.
जी.
किसी का मत मानना, आप अपने खुद की भी मत मानना, सलमान खान की तरह. You know, आप अपने खुद की भी मत मानना. Only believe the rishis and go by the sutras. Look at the Navamsha trines, etc. And then you will be able to sort of then decipher it. And finally, the dasha which works and all are much at the later stage. वो हम maybe next parts में बात करेंगे. तो ये नाड़ी शोधन का प्रिंसिपल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इसको हम बेसिकली हम एक रूट प्रिंसिपल कर सकते हैं. वाई नाड़ी शोधन? मैं जनरली लोगों को बोलता हूं कि दैट इज द टाइम आफ्टर विच यू हैड अ सेपरेट बैंक अकाउंट नंबर.
एग्जैक्टली.
यू नो, हम दुबई में जैसे IBAN नंबर होता है, यू नो, इंडिया में भी होगा. लेट्स से आधार कार्ड पकड़ लो आप. You know, it is after the umbilical cord is cut. After that, you get your Aadhaar card.
Aadhaar card. Yeah.
Before that, the mama is happy. You are also happy. Mama is sad. You are also sad. If mama is bleeding, then oh my goodness, you could die.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So everything is associated with that umbilical cord, which is in that navel region.
Yes.
Hence, most of us or all of us are born because of karma of that chakra.
Yes.
और हम सारे लोग 90% तो वहीं पे फंसे हुए होते हैं. ये fact of life है.
And sir, you know, this Nadi Shodhana is also one of, it clears one doubt, which a lot of students ask is, you know, what about the difference between the normal deliveries and the C-section? In any case, be it a normal delivery or be it a C-section, it is the Nadi Shodhana when the time of birth is considered. So, I mean, a lot of people say, oh, I was not born naturally, I was C-section nowadays, especially last 50 years. So it you know, clears even that fact also. Whether you're born as a natural delivery or you've picked up from the stomach. So, you know, so that is also clear.
Absolutely. That can also be further. See, that is the art of rectification. Then when you go to the Navamsha, you will come to know exactly about the delivery.
Exactly.
Like if there are Jala planets in the Navamsha Lagna or influencing the Navamsha Lagna, then there will be a lot of rain. So the moment you see very strong, you can ask them, hey, do you remember? Has your mother told you anything? Was it raining that day? And the client will tell you that, yes, you know, how do you know? My mother told me it was raining cats and dogs. So then we know that this Navamsha is correct. When the nodes are having an influence, then the delivery is very, very tough. Just one of our students, you know, he had a delivery last week. And you know, Rahu is in Navamsha Lagna, and I just asked him, you know, hey, was the umbilical cord around the neck area? He said yes, Gurudev, that was the case. And I said, perfect, then the Navamsha is correct.
Absolutely.
So what we are trying to say is that Jyotish is so engrossing. मैं हमेशा लोगों को बोलता हूँ, it's like a one-way ticket. एक बार आपको इसका चस्का लग गया, you know, then you don't need anything. You know, there is no other intoxication better than knowledge himself. आपको और कोई मतलब सुबह उठ के सिगरेट पीना पड़ता है या यू नो शाम को 6 बजे के बाद आपका हैप्पी आवर शुरू होता है, वो कोई चीज नहीं होती है, क्योंकि आप इतने खुश हो अपने ज्योतिष में और नॉलेज में कि भैया यू नो इट्स अ ग्रेटेस्ट ब्लेसिंग ऑफ योर लाइफ.
That's so true. So true.
So मैं इसलिए मैंने नीचे वो पिक्चर भी दिया एक बच्ची का, we are all like that child.
Absolutely.
Never
yeah.
stop learning.
Yeah.
वो मर्क्यूरी को हमेशा जिंदा रखो.
Yes.
कई बार प्रॉब्लम ये होता है कि when you reach certain level, लोग आपको थोड़ा अहंकार देते हैं, अरे यार आप तो तोप हो, कार्तिक जी आप तो ग्रेट हो, नवीन जी आप तो ग्रेट हो, संजय जी आप तो ग्रेट हो, अरे आप तो बोला था मेरा ये हो गया वो हो गया. At a subtle level that ahankar can come.
Yes.
So it is very important for you to let go of that ahankara.
Yeah.
Understand that you are a small fly in this whole world.
Absolutely.
और आप कुछ ज्यादा मतलब रेलेवेंट नहीं, अपने आप को ज्यादा सीरियसली मत ले लो और अपने कार्य पे फोकस करो.
Yeah.
So and keep learning. The more you keep learning, actually that ahankara never comes. Ahankara comes actually from that Jupiter. That is a little negative aspect of Jupiter.
Yes.
तो वो मैं
I think
आपको
that is more of ahankara and the stubbornness, that comes with the Jupiter. That, okay, I said this means I said this. No, that's wrong, actually.
Yeah. Pure ahankara is actually Surya.
Yes.
It says, I am the king. यार मुझे सो सिखाता है, मुझे सिखाने वाला कौन है? मैं तो राजा हूँ. Jupiter का arrogance of knowledge है.
Yes.
यार मैं इतना सबको सिखाता हूँ यार, तू मुझे सिखाएगा. But when you have Mercury also active, then you can be like a child. कोई सिखा रहे, अरे यार ये चीज उसने बहुत अच्छी बोली, भले वो आपसे बहुत जूनियर हो या सीनियर हो या कोई भी हो. भैया आप तो स्टूडेंट हो ना. मतलब अमिताभ बच्चन अगर इस एज में बोलता है कि भैया मैं सीख रहा हूँ या ही इज स्टिल ऑलवेज ऑन टाइम फॉर द सेट्स, तो मैं और आप कौन है?
Exactly.
सो पीपल व्हेन दे बोलते हैं कि पेड़ जब भारी होता है या फल देने लगता है तो झुक जाता है. दैट मीन्स you become more humble.
Yes.
If you are getting more arrogant, that means somewhere down the line there is that negative Surya and Jupiter working on you, and Rahu is sort of mesmerizing you to give you a false sort of a hope that you have arrived, you have become something. अरे you are the best astrologer. अरे तुम तो यार अपना पंडित हो यार, क्या बात कर रहे हो यार? You are not normal. आप आगे ये लगा दो, वो लगा दो, 25 designation लगा दो. So they all add up to that, and slowly at a certain level it builds on you. But as long as that Mercury is strong, you are constantly learning. आपको बोलने में शर्म नहीं आती है कि भैया मैं स्टूडेंट हूँ, I need help, small things like that, then you are fine. Huh? So now I have given you an example of a client of mine who came to me with surety. Kartik ji, this is my chart. My mother told me, I'm very sure. मैंने उनका नाम किया है, बट डेटा रखा हुआ है ताकि आपकी टीम देख पाए. Now, when he came to me, he was very sure. He said that this is my chart, and Kartik ji, please tell me what to do. I saw Dhanu Lagna, I saw Surya in Lagna, I saw Mercury in Lagna. So right away I asked him, okay, how was your childhood? So he said, my childhood was fine, Kartik ji. So then I did my own thing कि भैया इसका लग्न तो बराबर है, कहाँ पे है इसका लग्न? So लग्न was in the border and लग्न was changing in 20 seconds.
Oh, okay.
Now immediately my radar started. So जिसको हम बोलते हैं ना, वो जो इमिग्रेशन काउंटर होता है जहाँ पे कोई सस्पिशियस लगता है, तो इमीडिएटली उसको बोलते हैं आप साइड में आ जाओ. मैंने इस हॉरोस्कोप को इमीडिएटली बोला कि सर साइड में आ जाओ, अभी इस पे तो थोड़ा और काम करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ना ही सिर्फ ये कार्तिक गोरकी का नेम एट स्टेक है, ज्योतिष का नेम एट स्टेक है.
Right.
So मैंने उसको देखा कि भैया ओके, एक क्विक चेक किया, आत्मकारक वो सब तो बात की बात है. मैंने देखा नवांश में ये मंगल की, और अगर मैं ये 20 seconds रेक्टिफाई करता हूं तो देन ही गेट्स कैप्रिकॉर्न लग्न. The moment I take Capricorn Lagna, this Mangal and Ketu are coming to the 4th house.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
So मैंने उसको बोला कि listen, whatever we discuss is going to be between us. Can you tell me one thing? Do you have any chronic disease? So he was a very smart guy. He didn't want to reveal his cards. वो भी internally मुझे check कर रहा था. you know. So it was also like a chess game, you know, मैं एक प्यादा आगे करता हूँ, वो एक प्यादा आगे करता है. तो उसने बोला, can you please specify what sort of disease are you talking about? मैंने बोला अच्छा चलो ये भी बहुत स्मार्ट है. मैंने बोला देखो, if Mangal and Ketu are coming to the 4th house of Navamsh, then it gives you a problem where it's a moment issue, you know, जिसको हम arthritis बोल सकते हैं, you know, thing where you know, you are having a huge movement issue. You are getting frozen.
Yes.
So he was in a shock. You know, 2 minute मतलब मुझे सिर्फ देख रहा है. बोल रहा कार्तिक जी, I have gone to at least, you know, 12-13 astrologers before you. Nobody has ever told me this. You are bullseye.
Yes.
So मुझे शॉक लगा कि how come, you know, के इसी हॉरोस्कोप से उसको जेमस्टोन भी लोगों ने पहना दिया, रुद्राक्ष भी दे दिया, उसको 25 रेमेडी भी दे दी, जबकि उसका हॉरोस्कोप रॉन्ग है.
Right.
आप समझ रहे हो, यहाँ पे तो राशि का ही प्रॉब्लम है. Forget about anything else.
Right. Yeah.
So technically he is somebody who is Capricorn Lagna.
Yeah.
Wow. Those of you who are understanding the Navamsha in the South Indian chart, you are seeing this Mangal Ketu thing. You know, if it is in the 5th house, it is a different thing. But if it is in the 4th house, then it can give you chronic disease, because the 4th house is Jala Kendra. And if Jala, you know, Jala पे जैसे अग्नि डाल दो आप, एक तवे पे जैसे हम पानी डालते हैं, वो पाव भाजी वाला डालते हैं, तो कैसा होता है, you know, बड़ा वो एक रिएक्शन आता है. They don't go along well.
Yeah.
So what did I do? You know, I changed the time on the right hand side and ensured that, you know, this is it. Then Shukra and Chandra comes into the 7th house of Navamsha, and I asked him very frankly, you know, would you say you are sexually very high? You know, ज़्यादा मुझे नहीं पता देना था. उसने बोला, yes, Kartik ji, you know, you have rectified it the right way. तो ये थोड़ी उसकी हैबिट्स वगैरह भी दिखाती है. नहीं, मेरा कहने का मतलब क्या है कि देखो ये चीज कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है. मैं जस्ट आपको थियरी नहीं बता रहा हूं, मैं आपको एक लॉजिकल चीज में समझा रहा हूं कि कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है ये. यू मिस दिस, यू मिस्ड एवरीथिंग. देन यू आर लाइक दैट टिपिकल एस्ट्रोलॉजर जो मतलब बैठ के मतलब तोता लेके बैठा है और कुछ भी बोल देगा. अगर तोते को ही सब कुछ उठा के करना है तो भाई आप क्या कर रहे हो?
Right. And Kartik ji, here it's just not one question. There could have been several other questions also that we could have asked. Like in the 7th house, we have Shukra and Chandra, right? After rectification, you know, her mother could had an eye problem. One of the eyes of the mother, you know, could be, or you know, जैसे उसको थोड़ा भैंगा बोलते हैं या कुछ, you know. Correct. Like multiple approaches are there, and this is the best way of doing it.
Absolutely. So what I'm trying to tell you this is, don't go with what your client is going to tell you.
Fantastic.
Always go with the notion that he is wrong.
Yeah.
That is always better. Like I also went with the notion that, you know, the time that my mother gave is not right. And it turned out to be like that, because over a period of time, you know, as I learned, I rectified things, and I thought that, hey, this makes more sense. This is more me.
Right.
So ये चीज clear है. So this is one thing which I wanted all the Jyotishas to implement in their life. कि you know, कूद मत जाओ किसी भी चीज पे. जो लास्ट चीज सीखा है, बेसिक्स ऐसी चीज है, आप उसके ऊपर और 25 चीज सीखो, बट वो चीज आप मत भूलो.
Right.
You know, it is like you might be playing squash, you might be playing golf, you might be doing athletics, but वो first 15 minutes of warm up is a must for every athlete.
Exactly.
So this is all our warm up, जिसको बोलते हैं, you know, वो थोड़ा मतलब groove में आ रहे हैं अभी तो मतलब, you know. So it is like that. Now, what is the other golden rule? The other golden rule is about Panchanga. Panchang pe, you know, we are not getting into detail, but what I'm telling is, before even getting into graha doshas, you know, कि आपका जुपिटर 8th हाउस में है, रेट्रोग्रेड है, वो आपको तो जुपिटर का श्राप है, वो there are 2 malefics with it respected by 1, वो सब तो है, बात की बात.
जी.
First, look at the Panchanga. And Panchanga has to be looked on not only for your horoscope, but also Dainik Panchanga.
Yes.
because Dainik Panchanga or everyday Panchanga or the Panchanga of the day is telling you the quality of time of that day for you.
Yes, yes,
हाँ,
yes.
एक तो है कि भैया आपने जेनरिक सोच लिया कि भैया ओके जेनरिक लेवल पे आज अष्टमी है, नवमी है, दशमी है, आज यू नो सूर्य मकर में आ गया इसलिए आज मकर संक्रांति है, आज ये है वो है, वो सब तो है
At a very mundane level, yeah.
वेरी मुंडेन लेवल, वो तो ओवरऑल
Yeah,
सर्कमस्टेंसेस हो रहा है. पर
yeah,
कई बार
yeah,
यू वांट टू नो हाउ इज द क्वालिटी ऑफ डे फॉर मी. Okay, I wanted to sign a very important assignment today. I wanted to sign my checks. I wanted to give the checks for my property, or I wanted to start learning. I wanted to do my surgery today.
yeah, yeah.
So हर चीज का एक अलग इंपॉर्टेंस होता है ना.
Yes.
जैसे मैं हेल्थ के लिए हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि यू नो लुक एट योर नक्षत्र. योर नक्षत्र इज लाइक द डमरू. महादेव का डमरू होता है ना. आप ईसीजी देखोगे तो ईसीजी अप एंड डाउन अप एंड डाउन अप एंड डाउन होता है. तो मैं इसको बोलता हूँ जब तक वो चल रहा है इट मीन्स द डमरू ऑफ महादेव इज वर्किंग. वो जब स्टॉप हो गया तो खत्म, खेल खत्म, मां सलामा. हाँ, जैसे शोले में डायलॉग था, जब तक तुम्हारे पैर चलेंगे इतनी सांस चलेगी. इट इज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक दैट.
Absolutely, yeah.
You know, so you have to understand Jyotish in a very nice way. You know, जैसे आपको याद रह जाए. See, lot of things, lot of time people will understand this with practice. कि ज्योतिष को आप सिंपल वे में, जैसे बच्चों को आप एक कैसे खाना खिलाते हो. नॉर्मल बोलोगे खाना खा ले तो बच्चा बोलेगा नहीं मुझे भूख नहीं है, मुझे नहीं खाना है. यू नो, फिर आप उसको कोई स्टोरी सुनाओगे या बोलोगे फिर ऐसा हुआ तो वैसा हुआ, और आप उसको खाना खिलाओगे फट करके खा लेगा.
Exactly.
तो वी आर ऑल्सो लाइक दैट चाइल्ड. ज्योतिष को हम इंटरेस्टिंग वे में समझेंगे, एक लॉजिकल वे में समझेंगे, थिंग्स दैट हैपन अराउंड अस समझेंगे, तो विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. इसलिए मैं ये डमरू का एग्जांपल लिया और ईसीजी का चीज बोला, ताकि आप समझ पाओ कि भैया नक्षत्र लॉर्ड कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है.
Yes.
The moment somebody comes for a health issue, first look at the nakshatra lord. Dasha vasha to khair baat ki baat hai. Are they having any panchanga dosha? Somebody having relationship problems, and if he's born with a chaturdashi dosha, especially Krishna chaturdashi, you know, मतलब उसकी तो मतलब बोल सकते कि भैया लिखा हुआ है कि भैया वो तो पिसेगा. Now the whole point is, क्या हम स्टॉप कर सकते हैं उसको पिसने से? The answer is no. Because that dosha is very very strong.
Exactly.
तो क्या कर सकते हैं हम? जैसे गाड़ी को बोलते हैं कि भैया एक यू नो स्पीड ब्रेकर बहुत आते हैं, तो इंडिया में बोलते हैं कि यार खड्डे बहुत है तो
धीरे चल.
शॉक अब्जॉर्बर कैसे है? तो आवर मंत्रस, the remedies that we do, our rudraksh, everything else is nothing but like that shock absorber.
Exactly.
और a painkiller tablet. कि पेन तो आपका उतना ही है, लेकिन आपको उसको सहन करने की क्षमता बढ़ गई है, क्योंकि there is a part of pain which is not coming to you, or you can't feel it.
Exactly, and that is how the Sankaranti dosha is also so severe.
Exactly.
Right. And I mean, I've seen at times fifth Lord Surya being into Sankaranti dosha, and they tried whole their life, they could not get children. Right. And especially some planets in the Mula Nakshatra, the fifth Lord in Mula or seventh Lord in Mula, they are so strong, you know, and that dosha
मतलब वो तो बल्ली में तो आपको भरना ही है.
जी.
Aslesha Nakshatra, you know, will make you a little, जिसको बोलते हैं ना suspicious person. कि आपको किसी पे भरोसा ही नहीं हो रहा है. You know, and that was the basic difference between Lakshmana and Bharat. Those things, what I'm saying is very interesting to know. So कई बार लोग बोलते हैं यार ये तो basics है. अरे basics ही तो समंदर है.
Yes.
You know, once you get into basics, आपको पता ही नहीं लगेगा कि क्या basics है. महर्षि पराशर तो भाई जिस basics की बात कर रहे हैं, हमारे लिए वो तो बहुत advanced है.
बहुत advanced. True.
हाँ.
True.
But उसमें fun है. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ कि let's say somebody is going through career challenges and वो बोल रहा है अरे मेरा 10th lord 8th house में है, मेरा 10th lord 12th में है, ये है वो है, वो सब तो ठीक है. What about your Karana lord?
Karana lord, yes.
हाँ, Karana lord को क्या हम career के लिए नहीं देखेंगे? सबसे पहले देखेंगे.
जी जी
Why? Because that is your root. मैं लोगों को बोलता हूँ पंचांगा is nothing but your 5 fingers.
yes
अभी
yes
based on वो fingers में कितना दम है, उस basis पे you are able to punch above your weight or you aren't able to punch.
yeah
कि अरे यार दिख मजबूत रहा है बट उसके पंच में दम नहीं है. क्यों? क्योंकि पंचांग में दम नहीं है. बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स है. For
absolutely
some
और सर
people,
मैंने
that panchanga
yeah
is extremely strong. Sorry.
yes yes मैंने देखा सब जब भी it is very lucky to have दशा of the Karna Lord if you can have अगर आपके कर्णा लॉर्ड की दशा आपके प्राइम में आ जाती है I have seen people going to the highest level.
Yeah. Especially if Karana Lord is well placed. Ideally, Karana Lord in the fifth house
Yes.
of Dashamsha. Whoa, lottery lag
Wow.
gaya.
Fantastic.
You know why?
Absolutely.
Because people look at 2, 6, and 10. But I say
Yeah.
fifth house of Dashamsha is your real knowledge, real power.
Yeah.
जिसको हम बोलते हैं ना कि भैया आप कैसे भी हो, लोग आपके
Yeah.
पास आएंगे. हाँ.
Yeah.
लोग 25 कंप्लेन करते हैं, अरे यार सलमान खान ऐसा है, सलमान खान का एटीट्यूड वैसा है, अरे इसका एटीट्यूड वैसा है, बट दे आर नेवर आउट ऑफ वर्क.
Yes.
Why they are not out of work? Because somewhere down the line that subtle fifth house is helping them.
Yeah. Yes.
You know कि भैया इनके नखरे हम सह लेंगे क्योंकि they are damn good at their work.
Yes.
अरे इनकी सेशन के लिए, इनकी अपॉइंटमेंट के लिए हम एक महीना
वेट
रुक
कर
लेंगे
लेंगे
बिकॉज करना है तो इनको ही मिलना है क्योंकि they give me a better clarity than X, Y, and Z.
Yeah.
So that confidence of your work or that clarity or that arrogance of clarity is coming from your fifth house, where people are going gaga over it because your fifth house is your total control.
Yes.
हाँ, तो ये चीज है रिलेशनशिप तिथि. जैसे मैं बोल रहा था आपको कि तिथि लॉर्ड इज ऑल अबाउट रिलेशनशिप.
Yes.
लोग कॉमनली बोलते हैं 7th लॉर्ड मेरा 12th हाउस में है, 7th लॉर्ड 6th में है, 7th लॉर्ड 6th में है, और 7th में है, 8th में है, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, इसको विधवा योग है, इसको ये योग है. They use all the things. अरे पहले तिथि लॉर्ड तो देखो. First look at yourself. Do you even have the ability to take care of your relationships?
Relationships, yes.
7th lord 12th house में है तो क्या है कि मतलब every time somebody comes to you and says I love you or I want to be in a relationship with you, आप उसको बोलते हो go to hell.
Yeah.
और फिर आप अपने एस्ट्रोलॉजर को पकड़ के बोलते हो कार्तिक जी मेरा तो कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा है. अरे जितना हो रहा है आप सबको भगा देते हो.
Exactly.
That means somewhere down the line, deep inside, you have a commitment phobia, or there is an issue within you which you need to sort out for you to be prosperous in your relationship.
Yes.
Then which relationship you are in, whether you are which upapada you are in, all those things are later on. पर मैं first बोल रहा हूँ कि भैया आपका तिथि कैसा है?
Exactly.
अगर तिथि is beautiful, then your relationships are growing very beautiful.
Yes.
Tithi is beautiful, but then with malefics means everything starts very beautiful. वो honeymoon period तो आपका बहुत बढ़िया रहता है. वो 1 साल पहले का first class होता है और फिर इतने confusion होता है कि breakup इतना vulnerable होता है कि वो आपको next 3 साल depression में रखता है.
Yes.
So you are seeing for one Tithi Lord, which is good in both scenarios, but giving 2 different results.
Yes.
तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ये डमरू आपका कहाँ चल रहा है और हर एरिया ऑफ लाइफ में आपका डमरू चल रहा है या बैंड बज रही है.
Yes, yes. And sir, Tithi, Gurudev has also taught us in a very beautiful way that Tithi and the Krishna Paksh or the Shukla Paksh Tithi with the day birth and the night birth, the combination help us to find out that which dasha will work for us. Absolutely. Is it the Vimshotri that will work or Ashtotri that will work? So that even that is very, very important when it comes to analyzing that, hey, this is my chart or Vimshotri is not working. Why? Because possibly the combination of Tithi and the time of your birth, it is a day or a night, it is not in sync with the dasha that you're looking at.
Correct. और ये देखो आपका भारत का थोड़ा दुर्भाग्य आप देखो कि आज के टाइम में लोगों को पंचांग नहीं पता है.
नहीं पता है.
एक टाइम होता था मेरी मतलब ड्यूरिंग माय ग्रैंडमदर्स डे, it used to not even go to my grandfather. My grandmother knew how to look at the panchanga. and she will tell you we are fasting all today because today is Ekadashi.
Yes.
अच्छा आज अमावस्या है, आज हमको ये करना है, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डू ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय, इट इज वेरी गुड डे टू डू दिस. अच्छा कल संक्रांति है, ये करना है. आज मुझे कई बार एक कॉमन मतलब वेल नोन पीपल एंड प्रीटी इवॉल्व पीपल, दे कॉल अप फॉर वेरी वेरी सिंपल पंचांग थिंग्स which were supposed to be known. पंचांग तो ऐसी चीज है जैसे तो आपको सबको आना चाहिए. दिस इज वेरी बेसिक्स. एक बच्चे को भी सिखाया जाता था पहले गुरुकुल सिस्टम में. Now with the so-called modern education, what has happened is we have become so smart that the easiest thing and simplest of the thing we couldn't do. पंचांग से जैसे आपको पता चल सकता है कि अमावस्या कब होगी, चतुर्दशी कब होगी. पर हम हमेशा मतलब मिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर डाल के स्पेसशिप भेजेंगे, ये भेजेंगे, वो भेजेंगे और वो हमको बताएगा कि भैया आज के दिन ईद होगी, और फिर हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं कि ओके ओके आज ईद का चांद दिख गया. अरे यार पंचांग देख लो.
Exactly.
It will tell you, when it will be visible. Why are you spending so much of money?
So true.
So this is very important thing. Now, so this I made just the Panchanga of today, just to understand what is called as mundane Panchanga. So this is, आप देख रहे हो कि अभी हम जैसे हम आज के टाइम में रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं, क्यों तो रफली हम इसका टाइम ले लिया, जहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं कि आज तिथि द्वादशी है. आज शुक्र का दिन है, तो लॉर्ड इज शुक्र, करण लॉर्ड इज सूर्य अगेन, द नक्षत्र इज रोहिणी. ओके, तो चंद्र इज वेरी वेल प्लेस्ड. here we see Guru is in the 10th house. Again we were talking about Mangal and Ketu in the chart before. We see Mangal and Ketu are again in transit. But do we see something even more? We see, everything is between Ketu and Rahu.
It's locked.
So everything about that Omnicron, again, मैंने थोड़े टाइम पहले एक चैनल पे बात की थी about the whole शुक्ल प्रतिपदा and the New Year chart. So we are already seeing कि जो situation हमारा 2020 में था, और किसी ने एक मीम बनाया था, 2022 is like 2022 TWO. और मैंने सोचा अरे यार ये तो निमित्त है, let me check, and then I checked that 2020 and 2022 are having quite similarity. In terms of that year also, Shukra Patipada chart had got Kala Sarpa. This also has got this same yogas going on. So everybody is going to be in. So it's a matter of time before we are going to go into a lockdown, or the traveling will stop. All those RT-PCR वगैरह वो सब वापस ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. It's a matter.
I made a video, sir. I made a video 3 days ago, based on the transit of Surya, the Capricorn, and Saturn and Mercury retrograde is already there.
Correct.
And the effect that will have, and exactly same news. And I made that video on the mundane level, which is exactly what you're talking right now.
Brilliant.
And I made that video, and I was sharing with my followers, the current news, and they said, "See, this is what you said, 4 days ago in the video on YouTube." So it is like, at this point of time, as you said, 2022. Even if you add 2 to 6, which is Venus, in the numerology, the Venus. So again, that, what you're saying is absolutely making sense.
True. तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. देखो, हमेशा एक ज्योतिष जब अपना मॉर्निंग का अपना मंत्र मेडिटेशन सब खत्म कर देता है, he has to look at the पंचांगा for the day. This is a must if you want to become a good ज्योतिषी. ये आपका डेली जिसको हम वार्म अप बोलते हैं ना, नित्य क्रिया का ये वार्म अप का एक ये प्रैक्टिस होना चाहिए. एक ज्योतिष को अगर पता नहीं है कि भैया कौन सा तिथि है और आज मैं कंसल्टेशन कर रहा हूँ, उसका पैटर्न क्या होगा. देखो, ये एक चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. People who are consulting at a professional level will know that there will always be a pattern in terms of the type of customers or clients you get on that day, or consultations you are doing, or their problems being similar. Based on the Panchanga, and it is amazing how it works. Bullseye.
And sir, मेरे दादी ये कहते थे कि सुबह उठ के अगर आप पंचांग पढ़ लेते हो ना, अगर बोल के पढ़ लेते हो अपने घर पे या मंदिर में खड़े होके, it's a remedy for that day.
Absolutely. And from Panchanga, there is something called as Panchadevata.
Yes.
And we are all taught to do the Panchadevata puja. For your viewers, I can quickly say, we always start with Guru. Guru sabse upar hai. That's why we in our parampara, we always do Om Gurave Namah. Then you start with Ganesh.
Yeah.
So Ganesha is always the Prathama Devta.
Yes. Yes.
Second is always Surya.
Yes.
So generally you do your Gayatri mantra, etc. or whatever. If you have a Surya Yantra, then you do puja on Surya Yantra, so on and so forth. The third is Devi.
Yes.
So whatever Devi mantras, etc. you are doing. The fourth is Vishnu.
Yes.
And the fifth is Rudra or
Yes.
Shiva.
Yes.
Now all this can be done either on a Shivalinga, or if you are a Krishna follower, you can do an Abhishek on Thakurji also.
Yeah.
So we are very, Abhishek is all about giving Jala.
Yes.
And what is Jala? We saw Jala is all about your relationship.
Yes.
So it is going to be a beautiful relationship with the Panchanga of that day.
Yeah.
You offer Jala.
Fantastic.
Generally, we always offer Panchamrita, again associated with Pancha.
Yeah.
So there is a correlation between the items used in Panchamrita to the Panchadevata also.
Yes. Yes.
So अगर हम कितना टाइम लगता है पंचामृत बनाने में, 2 मिनट, 3 मिनट, 4 मिनट, पंचामृत से अभिषेक कर लो. And you will see that in a year's time, your life will be so beautiful. This is one size fits all. Generally, remedies कोई ऐसी नहीं होती है जो जिसको हम one size fits all कह सके. But इसको बोल सकते हैं रामबाण इलाज. अगर आप ये चीज कर रहे हो, पंचदेवता पूजा कर रहे हो, अभिषेक कर रहे हो, with whatever is your asta, you are a Shiva worshipper, do it on Shiva. You are a Ganesh worshipper, do it on Ganesha. You are a Durga worshipper, do it on Ma Durga. You are a Thakurji worshipper, do it on Bal Ganesha, Thakurji, whatever it is. It will work bull's eye.
Yes.
ये सिंपल रेमेडी है. तो ये पंचांग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि इससे आपको पता चलेगा how is your quality for the day.
Yes.
Can I use this as a strategic day? Hey, I had a big problem with that person. Is this a good day for me to say that, hey, let's meet up for a coffee and let's get out of that adrida karma?
Yes.
कब तक हम फालतू में एक दूसरे पे गुस्सा रखेंगे? मिल लेते हैं, खत्म करते हैं यार. वो काय को उस अदृढ़ कर्म को, we want to make it दृढ़ कर्म. So next जन्म में वापस हम धनुष बाण लेके जन्म लेंगे. Right? तो यहाँ पे एक रेमेडी आती है कि सी दृढ़ कर्म तो आ चुका है, आप उसका कुछ कर नहीं सकते, आप तो उसको भोगना ही है. उसके लिए आपका एटीट्यूड इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आपको गोली खानी है तो पीठ पे खाओगे या छाती पे खाओगे.
The way you react to the situation.
The way you react to a situation. The other part is, now can we do a little bit of match fixing? What is match fixing? That now as Jyotishis and students, we know कि भैया Navamsha is purely based on your past karmas.
Yes.
It is the gift that God gives you based on your past karmas. So considering this birth, can we do some karmas so, we can match fix or, make our Navamsha of your next birth better? As a result of which we have beautiful Jupiter in the Navamsha Lagna. As a result of which we have benefic planets in the trines to Navamsha Lagna. We can have a beautiful way of communicating to people.
Yes.
So start doing those karmas. Hey, I want my Mangal to be beneficial. Hey, be good to army people.
Yes.
Don't laugh on the memes when General Bipin Rawat dies or takes a Veer Gati. I've seen some stupid people, put laughing things and all. Hey, that's not right. That's a karma for Mangal.
Yes.
So small things, do blood donation. That is associated with good karma of Mangal. So whatever is your Atma Karaka, you have to do one good thing associated with your Atma Karaka as your monthly thing.
Yes.
तो ये पंचांग हो गया. Secondly, know your why. एक बहुत फेमस स्पीकर है साइमन सिनिक करके, वो बोलता है don't tell me what you do, tell me why you do. तो हमारा ये क्या स्ट्रेट लेफ्ट है. स्वामी विवेकानंद ने भी बोला था कि the day you know why you are born, you would not like to live another day.
Yes.
But Simon
yes.
Sinek has used it very nicely in terms of Apple is not going to give you a laptop. It is going to give you a solution for 3 things that you need in your life to do. And the
Correct.
solution is a laptop, but they're not selling
Yes.
you the laptop.
Yeah. Yeah.
You understand? एक fine difference है दोनों में.
Yes.
So what is your why? Your why is your Atmakaraka. That is the reason you are born.
Absolutely.
वो आपका दृढ़ कर्म है. That is your biggest strength and your biggest weakness.
Yes.
हमको एक जॉब मिलता है तो जॉब में हम एक अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर साइन करते हैं ना, उसमें लिखा होता है हमारा KRA, की रिजल्ट एरिया.
Yeah. Yeah.
सो अवर आत्मकारका इज अवर की रिजल्ट एरिया, जिसको हमने साइन किया है विद द HR टीम ऑफ ब्रह्मा.
Yes. Yes.
और एग्जिट इंटरव्यू में वो ब्रह्मा की टीम हमको पूछेंगे तो भाई साहब आप क्या करके आए.
जी.
तो उस वक्त हम ये नहीं बोल सकते कि भैया मैंने मर्सिडीज S क्लास ली, मेरी
Yeah.
बीवी के लिए मैंने 2 डायमंड नेकलेस लिए, मेरा पाम जुमेरा
Yeah.
में सी फेसिंग विला है.
Yeah.
तो दे आर गोइंग टू लाफ. वो सब तो ठीक है, बट तूने
Right.
किया क्या.
Right.
नहीं मैंने और भी किया है. देखो मैंने अपने बेटे के लिए 2 मिलियन छोड़ा है, उसके लिए ये इंश्योरेंस छोड़ा है. दे विल अगेन लाफ एंड दे विल से वो सब तो ठीक है, तूने किया क्या.
Truth.
So do we have the answer to that why?
Mm.
If we don't have even at this age, then we better pull up our socks
Yes.
and start understanding, hey, what is that written agreement? Maybe our subconscious mind has forgotten that. क्योंकि वो umbilical cord कट हो गया तो we are no longer connected. हमारा पास जो मेमोरी था वो चला गया है. पर ज्योतिष हमको ये बार बार समझा रहा है कि hey, this is the planet which is the main NDA, non-disclosure agreement, which you have signed.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
और इसके बाद अगर आप इंक्रीमेंट मांगोगे HR टीम से और बोलोगे कि नहीं भैया हमको वापस भूलोक में मत भेजो या नर्कलोक में मत भेजो, या हमको अपग्रेड दे दो, बिजनेस क्लास में भेज दो, या बहुत अच्छा किया यार हमको फर्स्ट क्लास में भेज दो, या मोक्ष ही दे दो. तो ये वाई बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
Yes.
अभी इसका डिस्ट्रैक्शन कहाँ से आता है? चंद्र से आता है. चंद्र हमारा मन है.
जी.
So this Chandra is constantly hitting your why. Chandra is saying कि यार कहाँ ये सब चीजों में पड़ा हुआ है. Focus on तुमको क्या करना है. दिमाग चलाओ, दिमाग चलाओ.
Yeah.
अरे तुमको तो आइसक्रीम खाना है ना यार. वो करोल बाग में देखो यार, वो बहुत अच्छा आइसक्रीम मिलता है. वो स्पेशल नया आइसक्रीम खुला है. कहाँ तुम मेडिटेशन वगैरह करोगे? मेडिटेशन कल कर लेना.
जी.
So our Chandra is telling us and telling us to go to that ice cream parlor.
Yeah.
कि अच्छा आइसक्रीम है. नहीं मुझे तो डायबिटीज है. अरे नॉन शुगर भी आइसक्रीम मिलता है, तू एक बार जा तो सही. बहुत अच्छा है, बढ़िया है.
Right.
These are all normal things which happen to us.
Absolutely.
अरे मुझे पढ़ना है. नहीं यार, लेकिन कोई बोल रहा है नेटफ्लिक्स में भी बहुत अच्छी सीरीज है, वो भी देख लेते हैं. There is always a conflict between our Chandra and our Atmakaraka.
Yes.
So Chandra to that extent is our distraction, but at the same time Chandra is also important because that is society.
Yeah.
So that balancing is very tough, and people who can do the balancing are reasonably happier, I would say.
I think, sir, the entire Kali Yuga has come out of the curse of the Chandra only.
Absolutely. Correct.
Right. The source was the Chandra, the carrier was the Venus, and that is the sperm, and that curse, will remain in Kali Yuga, and it's extremely difficult to, bring that balance. And I feel that even if your sun and moon are not together in a house, Amavasya Yoga or a Yuti or a Pratiyuti, but still both these elements, the Surya and Chandra, they are working 24/7, and it is very difficult to bring the balance. Very difficult.
100%. We are born because of that father and mother.
Yes.
And that is how that combination of Surya and Chandra is causing the tithi, the angle between them.
Yeah, the day and the night.
The day and the night. And Chandra is associated with Krishna avatar.
Yes.
And Thakurji, gave the remedy in Somnath.
Yes.
Thakurji said that when in Kali Yuga, when your mind is disturbed, just go to Somnath, sit there, do a Rudra Abhishek, and you will feel the difference. And believe me, this works again. So many
Yes.
people, or a lot of people from our group
Yeah.
have gone to Somnath
Yeah.
and sent me messages how good they feel after going to Somnath. It is like that Chandra is you know a little under control. वरना
Yes.
मन तो control में नहीं है ना,
Yeah.
कभी
नहीं
यहाँ
है.
कभी वहाँ. That's why
Yeah.
when Vicha or Charakaraka is associated with Chandra in that area of life,
Yeah.
we are running
Yeah.
around. If Salman
Yeah.
Khan is born with Chandra as Darakaraka, then that
Yeah.
Darakaraka is something which is constantly changing. That's why you can have
Yes.
multiple girlfriends. That's why that
Yeah.
money is coming and going, coming and going. Believe a guy
Yeah.
like Salman Khan who makes so much of money was in a
Yeah.
stage where his father told him that if somebody is going to have a problem in the family, we don't have money at all because God knows where your
Yeah.
money goes.
Yeah.
क्यों?
Yeah.
ये कॉमन प्रॉब्लम होता है जब चंद्र दाराकारक होता है. पैसे कमाते हो
Correct.
लेकिन जाता इतना जल्दी है because
Yeah.
it's very fluid, it's jala.
Yes. Yes.
Relationships also are tough to hold on to. Why? Because it is
Yeah.
again Chandra. पानी को कौन रोक सकता है, कौन पकड़
नहीं
सकता है?
रोक सकता है. नहीं रोक सकता.
So these are all minor things that you need to understand. So solution
Yeah.
to everything is to being positive. Now,
Yeah.
what am I trying to say? कि there are two breeds of astrologers. एक होता है
Yeah.
जो डरा के पैसे बनाते हैं.
Correct.
कि अरे
Right.
यार मैं मुझे याद है मैं जब छोटा था तो एक डॉक्टर के पास जाता था और मैं हमेशा डरा हुआ होता था क्योंकि वो डॉक्टर के पास अगर छोटा प्रॉब्लम के लिए भी जाए तो वो जिस हिसाब से बोलती थी हमको लगता था बाप रे बाप मुझे तो क्या हो गया. एक छोटा जैसे गिर गया होगा फुटबॉल खेलते हुए, ब्रूज आ रहेगा, अरे रे रे क्या प्रॉब्लम है, अरे बाप रे बाप बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, ये तो बहुत बुरा हो गया. सो एज अ चाइल्ड आई यूज्ड टू रियली फील वेरी स्कैर्ड. तो मैं मेरे फादर को बोलता था मुझे कहीं भी लेके जाओ उस डॉक्टर के पास मत लेके जाओ, वो बहुत डरा देती है. Then there used to be other doctor who used to say अरे क्या हुआ बेटा, गिर
कुछ
गए,
भी नहीं है.
अरे ये तो कुछ भी नहीं हुआ बेटा, 2 मिनट में ठीक हो जाएगा, कुछ नहीं होता है, देखो आप मजे करो, सी हियर. और एक्चुअली वो टाके भी देते थे तो डिस्ट्रैक्शन कर देते और आपको पता भी नहीं लगता था एंड यूज्ड टू बी फाइन.
Absolutely.
So हमको we want to be that positive breeze of air. We don't want to we want to earn our money. We don't want to make our money. और अर्निंग मनी और मेकिंग मनी में जमीन आसमान का फर्क होता है. अर्निंग मनी इज वेरी थेरेपेटिक. इट इज लाइक मेडिटेशन. आपको लगता है आपने कुछ वर्थवाइल किया है, पीपल पे यू एंड थैंक यू. कहीं ना कहीं आपको लगता है ओम गुरवे नमः. तो आप किसी को डरा के काम करते हो तो आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता. अजी ये एक ऐसा केस है जो मेरे पास इतने डरते आया था क्योंकि सारे लोगों ने उसको बोला कि अरे यार मतलब तेरा तो करियर में कुछ नहीं है. तो उसने बोला कि सर मेरे को ये दशांश में ये शनि मंगल योग है और लोगों ने बोला कि मतलब तू तो मतलब कहीं का नहीं रहेगा. वो तीज था ना, वो शनि तुझे जीने नहीं देगा और मंगल तुझे मरने नहीं देगा. He came to me कि कार्तिक you are highly recommended, please help me out, मैं एक conflict situation में हूँ. And I looked at that chart and I said that listen, this particular yoga is called as Yama Yoga. अच्छा, ये आपका 7th house of दशांश में है, which is telling me that if you do some business related to Yama Yoga, you can be good enough.
Right.
तो सोचने लगा, okay Karthik, what are you hinting at? I said, can you become an insurance agent? Insurance agents are selling you life policies which are to do with cancellation of Yama Yoga in a way or making yoga happier. कि अपनों के साथ अपनों के बाद भी, like LIC gives that. So for the moment I hear those slogans, I feel wow, they are countering that Yama Yoga.
Right.
This is how now you think as a Raj Jyotishi कि भैया आप किसी को, जैसे मेरे clients है, retainer clients भी है, तो top people, what slogans I'll give, if particular campaign is going to start, which colors I will give, what logos I'll suggest, what slogans I'll suggest.
And look at Mercury, is 100% Digbal in the Lagna.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
aspecting this yoga, and that Mercury is all about this finance and communicating.
Absolutely.
And
So
yeah, wow.
this person who came to me about
Yeah.
5-6 years back, as of
Yeah.
today, is among the top 10 insurance agents.
Wow.
Insurance agents का एक होता है उनका billionaire club होता है, which is a very niche club. When you reach that, that means you have made it. So just within 4-5 years, he is already at a billionaire level.
Wow.
He has already reached that level. He travels to US in business class, first class. वहां से pictures भेजते हैं. What I'm trying to say again is not कि कार्तिक जी कितने top आदमी है. नहीं. That is not the thing that I'm trying to tell you. What I'm trying to decipher you is that in every adversity, there is an opportunity.
Yes.
ये धीरूभाई अंबानी ने हमको बहुत अच्छी तरह सिखाया था कि आज अगर कोविड है तो कोविड में अगर समझो आपके पास थोड़ा ज्योतिष ज्ञान है, आप उसको 4 साल 5 साल सीखते हो, तो कैन इट ऑल्सो बिकम योर ऑल्टरनेटिव इनकम? हु नोज व्हेन यू माइट नीड इट. अगर नहीं होता है तो ऑल्टरनेटिव वे ऑफ गिविंग बैक टू योर सोसाइटी.
Yes.
When I learned Jyotish, I was with top organization. I never wanted to do Jyotish, but overall that pull of Jyotish became so strong that I had established myself at that level कि मैं full time भी करूँ तो मैं अपना bill भर पाऊंगा.
Right.
So it is all about planning, na? See, Jyotish at the end of the day is planning.
Absolutely.
It is Vedic planning at the end of the day.
Yes.
तो ये सेम मैं ये आपको समझाना चाहता हूँ कि how to look at a negative situation in a positive sphere. That is what, how to be graceful enough.
That is a saying when we talk about nakshatras, that if you go to a Satabisha doctor, okay, the Chandra in the Satabisha, and if you see 100 doctors, okay, you're not cured. Only a doctor with Chandra in the Ashwini will help you. You'll get cured from the doctor who has Chandra in the Ashwini. So that is the difference between the doctor that you were talking about. I'm not sure because you were a kid. So if you would have asked her chart, she would have had Chandra in the Satabisha. I believe that probably, or probably, you would have gone to another doctor, say, kuch bhi nahi hua, I will be fine like that. He must have a Chandra in the Ashwini. So it is like more Ketu approach than the Rahu approach.
Yeah, it's also sometimes, a marketing approach. Let's say एक simple example देता हूँ. Let's say आपको अपना website बनाना है या let's say आपका SEO कराना है. So there can be two companies which can have a completely different way of looking at things. एक होगा जो आपको completely डरा देगा कि भैया आपका तो कुछ भी नहीं है, ये भी गलत है, वो भी गलत है, ये भी गलत है, वो भी गलत है, वो भी गलत है, मतलब कुछ भी नहीं है. एक होगा जो एक प्रॉपर प्रोफेशनल अप्रोच होगा कि भैया ये 3 चीज ठीक है, ये 3 चीज हमको वर्क करनी है, और ये 3 चीज वर्क करने के लिए ये चीज हमको करनी पड़ेगी, ये रेमेडीज है, ये उसका कॉस्ट है. आप किसके पास जाओगे?
Obviously who gives that some positivity at least.
Exactly. So we Jyotishis are supposed to be that Surya in the other person's life. अगर हम उसको ग्रहण कर रहे हैं और हम उसको अमावस्या कर रहे हैं, हम उसको बेचारे को completely worthless prove कर रहे हैं, तो वो तो डिप्रेशन में चला जाएगा, and that karma is on you.
Yes.
So we are supposed to give them hope, और ऐसा possible ही नहीं है कि कोई hope ना हो. और आप उसका चंद्र देखोगे तो चंद्र is in the Kendra. And it is heard from Aruda Lagna. The person can be a little sensitive, but at the same time it is almost in Digbala from Aruda.
Yes.
So a mass things, I told him, be very relevant on the social media. So उसने LinkedIn में post करना शुरू किया, तो वो बोला यार मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा response मिल रहा है. Then I told him, okay, open your website, this. So then he became my retainer client. I started helping him. What I'm trying to tell you is the moment you add positivity to people's life, they will absolutely be very good with you. Now, what are the basic remedies that you can do for all? First is mantra and meditation. अगर आपके life में mantra या meditation नहीं है, frankly speaking, आप ज्योतिष के लिए तो मतलब you are wasting your time.
No, absolutely,
क्योंकि क्या होता है at the end of the day, it is like tennis. एक राफेल नडाल, एक नोवाक जोकोविच. you know, दोनों में बहुत कम difference होता है.
Right. Yes. Yes.
The only difference is one of them can be good in grass court, one of them is exceptional in clay court, you know. But the guy who is in clay court वो ज्यादा मेहनत करेगा क्योंकि he is a champion. तो नोवाक जोकोविच बोलेगा कि नहीं यार मेरे को तो 4 की 4 ग्रैंड स्लैम जीतनी है, मैं बहुत मेहनत करूंगा. Rafael Nadal बोलेगा कि okay नहीं, I am not good in this court, I am going to ensure that Rafael Nadal or Djokovic or you know those people are not going to be able to reach that record. I am going to break that record.
Right.
So what is that minor difference between the two? Because they have got a mantra to their life. Mantra is not just Om Namah Shivaya or Om Namah Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
No.
You know, mantra is what that is constantly going in your mind.
Your mind. Yeah.
Mana, tantra, the tantra which is working on your mind is mantra.
Yeah.
So that mantra can be your mission. So mission is almost like mantra. That's why we have mission statement in corporate life.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, we plan to help 1,000 people in a year to ensure that they have stress-free life, and that is what I want to do with my life coaching.
Yes.
तो वो उसको मिशन स्टेटमेंट बोल सकता है, मेरे लिए वो मंत्र है.
Correct.
हाँ, मेडिटेशन इज समथिंग जब आपका आंख भी बंद हो, आप सो भी रहे हो, तब भी आप कॉन्स्टेंटली वो सोच रहे हो. दैट इज योर मेडिटेटिव पावर. Apart from the normal mantras and meditation, ये मैं subtle meaning बोल रहा हूँ. Then gemstones etc. Gemstone में मैंने लिखा हुआ है not a multivitamin tablet.
Very nice. Yeah.
ये मैंने कई बार क्या देखा है कि काफी लोग
especially in Bengalis, loaded.
कॉमन होता है, 10 रिंग होता है, ये टीका लगा दिया, ऑरेंज फ्लोट बना दिया. मेरे को तो पहले वो मेरे को कभी जचा नहीं है. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाई पीपल लाइक मी, बिकॉज आई डोंट लाइक दैट फेकरी. आप जैसे हो वैसे रहो. यू आर अ कंसल्टेंट, यू डोंट नीड टू से दैट आई एम गॉड, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट गॉड.
राइट.
कोई भी हो, आप मनुष्य अवतार हो तो मनुष्य अवतार की तरह बिहेव करो. आप अपने आप को मतलब ग्रेट मत समझो. हाँ, जेमस्टोन के लिए ये इंपॉर्टेंट है कि यू नो डोंट हैव दिस मल्टीविटामिन टैबलेट. ये नवग्रह रिंग्स वगैरह मतलब यू नो एक तो होती भी है इतनी छोटी है, मतलब क्या करेगा. सेकंड ये वो 500-600 रुपए की टोटल रिंग होती है, मतलब उसने वो आपको प्लास्टिक बेच दिया और आपने उसको सोच लिया कि भैया मैं तो नवग्रह पहन रहा हूँ, मैं तो अब राजा बन जाऊंगा.
Absolutely. No.
हाँ, तो ये मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, यू नो मल्टीविटामिन टैबलेट आप ये बंद कर दो. आपको विटामिन सी की डेफिशिएंसी है तो आप एक टैबलेट लो, लेकिन 100% विटामिन सी लो. विटामिन डी की कमी है तो एक टैबलेट लो. विटामिन डी की लो. B12 है तो B12 लो. और ज्यादा से ज्यादा 1 या 2 से जेमस्टोन ज्यादा मत पहनो.
और जब उसकी कमी पूरी हो जाए तो उसको बंद कर दो, दूसरी की कमी देखो, अगर दूसरी की है तो वो ले लो.
Exactly. Those are conditional. One which is a lifelong gemstone. You know, I have Guru in my 9th Lord, in Digbala, in Lagna, in Navamsha Lagna also. Then Jupiter, I have a soft corner. I'm going to wear that yellow sapphire all my life.
All your life,
Now, based on certain dashas, antardashas, you know, I might wear something, I might wear something not. But I'm so biased towards Jupiter कि मुझे कुछ और जचता नहीं है. So I can do some other mantra or something else. But my Rudraksh and my gemstone is always going to be that one Mokhi and my yellow sapphire. The third is Rudraksh. See, Rudraksh का लोगों को कई बार क्या लगता है कि you know sometimes they wear it for money also. We have to understand that gemstone is rajas.
Yes.
This can be used for your Raj Yogas and money and all. Rudraksh technically is not rajas.
Not rajas,
It is associated with 5th house. See, Rudraksh का main purpose क्या होता है? Rudra plus Aksh is Rudraksh. उसका मतलब क्या है कि you know situations of life जहाँ पे आप रो रहे हो, आप अकेले नहीं रहोगे. देखो, we say that you know lucky are those people who don't cry alone.
Yes.
And Rudraksh is going to ensure that whenever you feel like crying, you know, whenever you are crying inside, Mahadev is going to be there on your Hridaya chakra to say, beta, don't worry, I'm there for you.
I'm there.
That is why you wear it exactly over here.
Yes.
to ensure that he is there. इसलिए हम जैसे 3 Idiots में बोलते हैं all is well, all is well, all is well,
Yeah. Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So we can learn from that. So ये चीज basics होती है. Plus then obviously based on specific charts वगैरह we can decipher into it. But ये मुझे लगा कि at a high level आपके subscribers को वगैरह को एक अच्छा मजा आएगा, and they will find some value into it. You have more questions, feel free to write in the comment section. I'll be very happy to do that.
And probably, the one best question we can pick up for the next video, right? Out of all the questions that people will write, and then we can address this question in the next video.
Absolutely. We can do that. We can take a couple of charts from the people who are commenting and then see how relevant it is and what we were talking about. Plus a few new things, which we can talk about going forward also.
Yes.
So I hope this was adding a lot of value, a basic understanding, और इसको हम build करते जाएंगे, and then it will be fun.
Yeah, I think this is so precious approach that you've given to my followers and viewers on this channel, guys. The video, if you watch it at least twice or thrice, you'll understand, every concept in a real way, the way Karthik ji said. And you know what? Why I've been associated with Karthik ji for almost 2.5, 3 years now, and why I feel that he has revolutionized Jyotish is because the approach is not very conventional. Look at the word he's used, multivitamin. That means that you can, that is the exact meaning of what people are wearing today. So this is the a very modern approach towards Jyotish. This is what we young breed are trying to cater for the universe, and but our lineage is coming from 2,500 years ago. That's what the beauty is. And so I think it was such a pleasure, right, having you here on channel. And please, it's a request, it should be a continuous process. We want you here. Okay.
Thank you so much. I definitely would love to come back again. We'll see the comment section, and we will plan it very well. See, the whole process is, I love teaching because teaching is all about giving back.
Right.
Gurudev ne mujhe itna sikhaya hai कि I feel that I should be also giving back. Add my little 2 bits, as I told you that मुझे अच्छा लगता है एक normal way में सिखाना, to correlate with things which we are looking. There's so many things we can talk later on in the videos, but it's an absolute pleasure talking to you all. Hare Krishna and Jai Soman.
Hare Krishna. Thank you. And guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and do comment. We are waiting for your comments. Till then, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you.